What's up, everybody? This is Guy01 here, and I'm reviewing today with the Winning Railway, Marion. Okay, so let's check the details with Marion. She has a door here, and here's her nameplate. And there's some details on the sides. They look cool. There's the windows here and there, so the driver and the fireman can't see what's going on between these windows because Marion's face is at the front. Here's the bottom, Marion at the bottom, the nameplate, and 2 codes. And let's check her bucket, well, shovel. Let's check her bucket shovel. I'm gonna call that a bucket shovel. Oh, she spins like around, do like a sort of like circle like thing, like it like spins around like Marion's shovel will be like this, and there's the handles. There'll be the handles here. That'll be awesome. It will spin like that. Spin like that, or like a crazy queen. A crazy queen. Okay. So, that is the Winning Railway Marion review. Oh, also, before I say see you soon, I'm gonna paint the buffers with this buffer beam. I'm gonna change this buffer beam from brown to red, and the back too, and a funnel probably. Okay, so that's my Winning Railway Marion review. This is Guy01 here saying thanks for watching and see you soon.